Yo, what is up guys? And today we're gonna be doing a video on TM NightWolf. Yes, the one and only Blood Moon. Yes, we have him TM, and we're gonna go in and see how good he is in summer event. And because some TM stats they are bugged, so we're just gonna go in and see how good he is. Alright, let's go. We're here and we're gonna be just placing, of course, our golden horse. And just alright, we got 1,425. We could definitely delete the golden horse, right? Alright, with 1.35 cooldown, the range seems pretty average, not very crazy. We got 1,650 with 14.3 range with 1.1 cooldown. Alright. Alright, and then we got 3,750 with 15.4 range, 1.8 cooldown. I think this is his last upgrade. Of course, you know, bug units. So let's see. 12,000 damage. 12,000 damage. This is so 0.9 cooldown, 16.5 range. Let's see how much placements. He's max. Oh, alright. Look at him, bro. Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright, almost max. Let's just see if we can place another one real quick. Nope, only 3 again. Very sad, but he has 3 placements. His range, not better than Golem. Not better than Golem. No, I think not better than Golem, right? 6.1. I think he had like 19 Golem. Yeah, so not better than Golem, but yeah, I would expect Golem's up is gonna be better than range with 0.9 cooldown. It means he does, he's pretty good actually. 12,000 damage. All this together would be like 3,600. So yeah, easily beat it. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that is TM NightWolf for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. It is very appreciated, and I'll see you guys in another video. See ya.